Hey, today we're having a look at this. It's a Mistral Pastry Chef Maker. Now it says, create delicious homemade sausage rolls and apple turnovers. Makes 4 sweet or savoury pastry rolls. Deep non-stick cooking plates. Storage security latch. And recipes included. Good start. Not a lot on the side. Just tells you power on and off, ready indicator lights, storage security latch, deep non-stick cooking plates and compact storage. The other side, oh there you go, it shows a different picture and it shows the same amount of writing there. Same on the back here, it's exactly the same. We've got a little barcode down the bottom, nothing much on the bottom of the box. Just again a bit of a barcode and a bit of info. So let's get into it and have a look. I've already cut the seal, so I don't need to grab my knife out this time. Pull that out. Oh, they just popped off. That's handy. Makes it a lot easier for me. And let's see what we've got. That's the instructions, it looks like. We'll whip them out. Get that out of the way again. Oh, it's got on here, look at this. It's got Mistral Pastry Rolls. Caution, hot surface. That's excellent. And we've got our lead, of course. So it's got an Australian plug on it, which is handy. Got a little security protection thingy on it. So I'll pull that off. That's the latch they're talking about, and that's the indicator lights. Oh, we got a bit of paper in there, and that's what's inside. Now the instruction manual, let's have a bit of a look at that. Let's see what's in it. And as usual, you can pause it at any time and have a bit of a read, see if there's anything of interest in here for you. We're still talking about how to clean and maintain the unit. And what have we got here? We've got, oh, we started on the recipes. That's handy. So let's see how many recipes we've got. Well, we've got a few in there, it looks like, so I'll have to start on one of them and see what it's like. Don't know which one yet, but we'll cook one and give this thing a run through the mill, as they say, and hopefully it'll prove its worth. And that's all there is in the manual. I've run 4 separate batches through the Mistral Pastry Chef Maker, ranging from savoury right through to sweets, and each of them has worked perfectly. I would definitely recommend one of these machines to anyone that's looking to make some nice, cheap and easy meals. Now, hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Please consider giving me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either way, doesn't matter. Leave a comment. I wouldn't say no to that either. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider again clicking that subscribe button. And then I might get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the very best till then. Bye.